This is a project that we lifted the house up about 3 bricks and redid the inside. Did a nice little deck on the outside there. We're doing, today is my only chance to take a video. So we took out a wall that was right here that came down, made it one big room. Cool transom window right there. We added some windows. It's got a stack washer and dryer in the closet. So I've got some other videos I'm going to add over this. This section over here was literally on the ground on dirt, and we again lifted it up and made a floor. We used Altex construction, Altex foundation repair. We took the ceiling joist out and made the ceiling open. Turned out really great. So we have a maid service today, final painting and maid service coming, and we're done.